where there may be the development of different personalities for self-protection and self-defense in the innocence of the young childhood, or those who experienced abuse and trauma after the age of 5, where there may not be the development of different personalities. In each case, the complex trauma with dissociation creates suffering that's most often undiagnosed and untreated for sometimes a lifetime, sometimes for most of the lives of many of the patients I see. For example, in my work for the University of Massachusetts Medical School, over the past 5 to 6 years, I have evaluated and diagnosed hundreds of patients who have suffered from severe depression, anxiety, addictions, behavioral problems, insomnia. And they've come to me with diagnoses of bipolar disorder, schizoid affective disorder, drug addiction, alcoholism, attention deficit disorder, and have been given treatments such as psychopharmacology and have never been accurately diagnosed for the true cause of their symptoms of anxiety and depression that lead to addictive behaviors and a lack of attention and concentration. Therefore, they've suffered for extended periods of time because they were misdiagnosed and mistreated. And when I determined that their true diagnosis was complex trauma, they then were able to seek the psychotherapy treatment with an expert who knows how to treat complex trauma. Advanced integrative therapy is most effective in completing complex trauma because it effectively and gently clears the painful emotions of trauma that remain locked and blocked in the body that cause the most prevalent symptoms of anxiety and depression. These most common emotions are shame, guilt, fear, anxiety, hurt, anger, frustration, irritability, lack of concentration, or insomnia. Without clearing the blocked painful emotions that were originally caused at the ages that the individual experienced the trauma, even if it's a post-traumatic stress disorder and the trauma came in adulthood versus childhood, the symptoms of anxiety and depression and panic and insomnia, thought disorders and concentration continue years and years and years. And there is a source of relief that I have been finding most effective for as long as I've been using advanced integrative therapy.